Tumble's gone again.
I'm hungry! What? Ooh, it's my lunch! Did you make it, boy? Yes! Oh, thank you!
Will you teach us the science of salad, Mr. Tumble?
Ah, yes! Look! Salad! You sign! Salad!
Thank you, Mr. Tumble.
Yes, Grandad Tumble? Would you like to join me for lunch? No, what? Yes, please.
Bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Grandad Tumble.